All right, so to put the car in launch control, we got to go into, here's our modes: normal, sport, track, and then drag. And then on the steering wheel, we go to the Cobra logo. That'll pop up with the menu, track apps, go to launch control. Launch control is already activated, and we'll choose our launch control RPM. So 22, 23, 24, 25, all the way up to 32, and then all the way down to 1200. So we'll do like 2400, and basically just go back out of this menu, and then where it says LC, that is launch control. So now we know we're good to do the launch control. So we'll pull over here, put our foot on the brake, and then is how you do launch control on the GT500. Pretty fun, but it will get you in trouble.